What's up guys, this is Aaron from Great Lakes RC, and what I've got here is a second V3 Arrma Talion. I got it used. I got a really great deal on it. Shout out to Omar. He's in a few of the same Facebook groups, the Arrma groups, this Red Cat group, this group called Come for the RCs, Stay for the Waffles. So shout out to him. It's pretty clean. You can tell he enjoyed using it, but he took really good care of it. So I got some plans for it. It's all stock right now, except for a Savox SB2270, if you can see that, and the T-bone front bumper, which I usually don't like those because they tend to pull down like this on me, and then the screws tend to pull out. So you can see the chassis there is nice and scraped up. I'm pretty sure he was doing some racing with it. Oh, I just noticed that it's got an RPM skid on the back, so that's pretty cool. So I pulled my Badlands off my Talion and put it on here. I want to see how they do, because I'm either going to get another set of these or I'm going to get a set of Creighton tires. I haven't 100% decided what I want. So I'm going to do a quick 6S bash. I haven't even cleaned this up, guys, so it came to me really clean. So I'm going to get in it, change all the diff fluids out to what I want, and yeah, so I'll take it for a quick bash. Yeah, something's up with that. I have to get into the diffs. 'Cause it's 6S, it should be a little punchier than that. Let's get the trim right. Huh. Yeah, something's not how I'm used to. So I gotta go through all this, probably change bearings out, all that good stuff. Definitely should have some more punch on 6S. But she's working. Lands nice and plush with the Badlands. There we go. Oh, oh no, I destroyed the wing. Oh, well, that stinks. Wow. Oh, it just pulled right out. Oh, okay. I noticed it was cracked before, so he probably had that issue already. Yeah, these wings, that's the spot where these break. They usually just pull, the screws pull right through. I had that happen on my other one too. Can't end on that. Can't end on that either. Good enough. And there's the LVC. Alright. So that's my second Talion, guys. I'm going to make a basher out of her.